Wow, welcome to the final module in this course, Website Design and Development. This is Module 10, Advanced Website Development and Growth. So we have moved from basic websites to high performance digital systems. So advanced website development. Okay, in this module you will learn search engine optimization, which is called SEO, and website visibility. You also learn website analytics and performance tracking, automation, APIs and integrations, scaling, maintenance, and website optimization. You also learn future trends like AI, no-code, low-code development. Okay? So now, building a website is not just enough. It must be optimized, it must be scaled, and you must continuously improve. Okay? So advanced development can focus on visibility, performance, and long-term sustainability. So search engine optimization, SEO, determines how easily users find your website and how analytics provide data-driven insights for better decisions. So automation and APIs enable smart, connected systems, while scaling and maintenance ensures reliability under growing demand. So this module aims to prepare you to think like a strategic digital professional. Okay? So what is even the meaning of SEO? SEO simply stands for search engine optimization. Okay, it means improving a website to rank higher on search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. Why SEO matters? It can increase organic traffic, that is free traffic. It can help you to build credibility and trust. Okay, you can have first page results. You can be it's cost-effective marketing. All right, and it can help to improve user experience like speed, structure, and usability. Without SEO, even well-designed website may remain invisible. So types of SEO and key components. Okay, there's what we call on page. Okay, on page. There's what we call off page. Then we have technical SEOs. Okay, for on page SEO content and HTML, it contains SEO content and HTML elements, keywords, meta tags, and internal links. But so example is image, alt, and text. Okay. Then for off page, it contains SEO external signals, backlinks. Okay. Example include social media brand mentions. Then technical SEO. This one technical focuses on website performance, speed, mobile responsiveness. Example is sitemaps. Okay. So key SEO components include keywords, terms users search for, content quality, then backlinks, links from reputable sites, and etc. Okay. Now let's talk about technical SEO foundations. So the foundation is very important. Example include a site architecture where you have a flat link hierarchy. So all pages within 3 links are also here. Okay. Then we have what we call XML sitemaps. This is where you submit to Google Search Console. When you submit to Google Search Console, it will have it. Then after that, you go to building robots.txt. Control which pages search engines crawl. It's called robots.txt. Then after that, you structure data. Structured data. You can use JSON-LD, which enables rich snippets like stars, prices, and etc. Okay. Then you also include SSL certificates, where you enforce HTTPS, that is security and ranking signal, core web vitals like Google ranking factors. Okay, so like largest ranking factors like largest content full paint, that is LCP, which is under 2.5 seconds. And then interaction to next paint, that is INP, which is under 200 ms, and cumulative layout shift, CLS, which is under 0.1. So technical SEO makes your website crawlable and indexable. So without it, like I say, you can develop a website and it remains invisible. So that is why this is important. Now let's talk about website analytics and how to track performance. Now, what is the meaning of analytics? Analytics simply means the science of collecting and analyzing data about user behavior. So what analytics answers can be how many visitors landed this page this week or this month, how many persons click on this, come to this website, then which of the pages are popular, where do users come from, that is to talk about their country, their region, their state, so that it will help you to know how to track. You also, now analytics will also answer how long do these visitors stay on the site. They then stay on the site for 1 hour, is it for 2 hours, as the case may be. So, but there are KPIs that you should watch out for. Key performance indicators like conversion rate, how many of them not just visit the site but purchase, how many of them sign up, is it that they just come to the site and go, or that they bought something from the site and sign up. These are things you check for. Then engagement rate too, are sections less than 10 sections or so. Then you talk about bounce rate, that is check out for users that after clicking they leave immediately, and if it is high, that's very bad. Okay, then at the end of the day you check for average section duration. The tools you can use for website analytics include Google Analytics, GA4, Google Search Console, and Hotjar. Okay, you can also use Microsoft Clarity. Now this is important because data-driven decisions always beat assumptions. All right, so let's talk about behavioral insight tools and analytics use. We talk about heat maps. All right, visualize where users click. You have to visualize where users click, where they move and scroll. Okay, you should also watch anonymous recordings to find design bugs and detect broken links or slow responses. When you see that when you click link, the link is not taking them to any other landing page, you watch out to detect them. You should also identify exactly where users abandon checkout or sign up. Then, how do you use analytics data? This data you collect through analytics, you can use it to fix slow pages, broken links, and even poor navigation. You can also use this data to improve content and marketing strategy. Okay, so the data is also important because you can use it to enhance user experience. So it is important for you to always monitor, that is monitor regularly, set goals, and always test your website continuously. Okay, now let's talk about automation, APIs, and integration. What is automation? Simply put, automation is a technology, is the use of technology to perform repetitive tasks without human intervention. That's automation. You can auto-email, for instance, you can auto-email replies, chatbots, and scheduled posts from confirmations. Then API, what is the meaning of API? API simply means application programming interface. So it is a bridge that allows different software systems to communicate. Examples can include payment gateways. We talk about PayPal, either PayPal or Flutterwave or Remitter. These are payment gateways. So these payment gateways are integrated into the website. Then Google Maps can also be integrated, social login, and even weather updates. Now, integration simply refers to connecting these systems into one functional website. So that's it. So an API is the bridge that allows this to work. All right. So then we'll talk about CRM integration. You can use email marketing tools, live chat. So API save development time and help to add powerful features. Okay. Now, scaling. Scaling simply means increasing capacity to handle more users or more traffic. It's good to develop a website, but you need to also find a way to scale so that when more users are on it, it will not just be unnecessarily slow. Okay, there are different kinds of scaling. You can do what we call vertical scaling, which means upgrading the CPU, the RAM or storage on your server. And you can also do what we call horizontal scaling. Horizontal scaling simply means adding more servers to distribute load, so that it can be fast, that is, so that it can accommodate more users or traffic. Then always check for updates, backups, and bug and fix bugs. Okay. Then try to improve speed and efficiency. Compress images where necessary. Okay, and use caching. Okay. So this is important. The tools you can use for scaling include Google PageSpeed Insights, GTmetrix, Pingdom. Then, because without maintenance, you see, websites become very slow, insecure, and unreliable, and that will discourage users. So you have to constantly maintain the website so that it will not just become slow. It should be able to accommodate different kind of traffic. Okay, there are a lot of trends because as a result of AI, you can use AI to develop your website. So AI applications in web development can include automated website designs. AI can help you to generate your layout from input. It can also help you to personalize your user experience. You can also use chatbot and virtual assistant. AI can serve as your virtual assistant. It can give you real-time support. It can even give you content and give you suggestions on how to optimize your search engine. You can see it. Now, AI can also perform smart analytics and predict user behavior. So you can use AI tools like Cursor, GitHub, Copilot. You can use Figma AI plugins. The benefits include faster creation. It can help you to quickly create your website, and it helps to reduce manual work. All right, but the challenge is limited creativity. Your data may not be private, and it can displace you from your job. So that is why you have to watch out. So AI is a tool. Don't over rely on it. Just use it as a tool to improve your efficiency. So that is what we have learned in this module. Okay, so advanced development transforms static websites into high-performance digital systems. So, and we have learned that SEO makes website visible and findable. Without search engine optimization, even if you develop a website, the website can be lost on Google. So you have to optimize your search engine. Okay, so mastering these skills elevates you from a developer to a strategic growth partner for different businesses in this ever-growing digital economy. Thank you for listening.